Hi, it's Kevin Fleming from Group Mariana, developer of Playa Mariana in Nicaragua, 8 kilometers south of Masachapa. And Masachapa, the Masachapa that you've been hearing me talk about all this time, I'm here right now and I'm going to give you a 5-minute tour of where I am and what this Masachapa is all about. So I have turned into Masachapa when you come off the Coastal Highway and essentially just continue the road straight, and where you end up is in this rotunda area near the main square and the church behind the Eskimo ice cream station. And Masachapa is basically a fishing village. It's about 2,500 to 3,000 people, and the area is supported by the agricultural, the farming, a lot of sugar cane in Masachapa. That's really popular, and of course the fishing and the seafood and everything that generates revenue from the ocean. So I'm walking down now. Walk with me, follow this path. And Masachapa is a really cool place because you can come here, you can rent a boat with a local fisherman. They'll take you out in the mornings. It's not morning now, it's lunchtime right now, 12 o'clock here, January 27th. This Masachapa summer hotel and restaurant, excellent food, excellent food. In fact, there's a summer hotel and restaurant in Managua also that I recently visited, and it's amazing. And the sunsets here are really, really good. In fact, you know what? Let me peek into the restaurant for a second. I'll give you guys a little look before I go down to the beach. We're here with some guests and some clients in country right now. So I'm inside the hotel area right now. Look how cool this place is, everybody. And today it's like 12:20. I actually checked the tide report. It's about 2:40. So this is our first stop on this little tour here in Masachapa, and we're heading to Pochimil next. Then eventually we'll make it to Playa Mariana, where I have a ton of videos to film the progress that's taking place over there. But as you can see, the boats are just hanging out in the harbor. So I'm gonna walk down to the beach. Walk with me now. This place is great when you want to come eat. They have a lot of great food here. In fact, you know what? Since I'm in here, let's go upstairs. You guys want to go upstairs? Follow me. We got time, right? You guys aren't doing anything special today. Come on, let's go take a look. I like exploring new places. Although I've been up here before, so I'll give you guys a look. In fact, I was on the roof. Yeah, here I am. Here we go. So here's Masachapa. Here's a bit of a peek at the coastline. So from Playa Mariana, what's really cool is that 8 kilometers up the coast, literally like right around that little rocky outcropping, you can walk directly to Playa Mariana. It's 8 kilometers straight up the coastline, no interruptions, no rivers, no outcrops of mountains, just straight up the coast along the beach, and you are there. So if you like long walks, this is where you end up. So all those videos that you've been watching where I say 8 kilometers to Masachapa, walk down the coast, this is it. This is what you'll find. And you can continue walking. You see that little bridge that's sort of out there. It's kind of falling apart. But beyond that, you can walk another, I'd say half a kilometer, and that's where it's going to come to an end. There's a rock outcropping. And around that corner is the Barceló Montelimar Resort, an all-inclusive resort in that area. So there you go. You want to walk close to 16 kilometers in one day, just turn right at Playa Mariana when you hit the beach, and you'll end up down here in Masachapa. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. I know I did. And the next stop I will show you is going to be Pochimil. So hang in there, keep watching the next video to the end.